Next video. In today's video I will show you how to use speech synthesis or how to convert text to audio in web using JavaScript. So I'm using Next.js, but you can use any framework which you want, like this is framework agnostic stuff. So what I have done is that I have created a React component, and inside that I have just taken this speech synthesizes utterance, and here you can pass whatever text you want to convert to audio, and here you can specify the language. So I have used ens-us, and here I have defined the voices, and I have just console log the voices, and here I have just setting the utterance.voice to whatever lang the user has defined in. So if you see over here inside console, okay, and inside button click I'm just calling speech synthesis dot speak utterance. So if I now click the button,
Hello there.
so I'm not sure if you guys could hear it,
Hello there.
but it definitely converts my text to audio. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.